Jason, what did you think about being a part of the Shave Lab team?
I thought it was a wonderful experience. In fact, my favorite part about it was probably that we weren't guided through a linear path by some higher power. Instead, what we did was we got our tools and then we decided what we were going to do, the data we were going to gather, the people we were going to talk to. And I just thought that was so great because as a teenager, I don't really get to experience that very often. In fact, most of the time we just have an assignment and we do that and we do that and we do that. Then we just don't know what to do with that. We just feel, oh, this is what our goal is, we'll just do that and that's it. Here, instead, we got to experience the entire process. We got to have our hypothesis and have our data collection and have that whole cycle of our hypothesis changing throughout the process as soon as we gather more data and crunch all the numbers. That it was so amazing that as someone so young and my age, to just be able to experience all of this and just to have so much to learn from this, both as an architect and both as a person, because now I'll be more aware and I'll look for more environmentally friendly things. I just think that this entire project is such a wonderful thing and more people should get to experience it.